Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to English with Nasrin. Today I will show you how to create a fun and interactive quiz using Canva. Canva is an easy online design platform that helps teachers and students create presentations, posters and worksheets, and also quizzes that we're going to be looking at today. First, let me show you the quiz that I created on Canva. This quiz is designed for students and it includes colorful slides and also multiple choice questions or yes/no questions. You could easily add pictures and simple animations as well. And let me show you how it actually works. So basically students select the correct answer as they move on in the quiz. And once they select an answer, if it's correct, they get positive feedback that your answer was correct. And if not, they get feedback that their answer was not correct. So the first thing you need to do in order to create a quiz like this is you go to your Canva account and then you select the option of choose template, a template, and you select the template that you want. So for example, my quiz is going to be about a unit called all about food. So I'm going to select an image or a picture that is related to food. So I think this is pretty good. So I'm going to use that on my platform and I'm going to add to it then the questions of the quiz that I am going to generate. The next thing you do is you select elements. So basically then you select the quiz option in Canva and choose the quiz template that you want to use. Canva has many different quiz designs, so you can pick one that matches your lesson or topic. So after choosing the template, I made some adjustments to the design, such as changing, if you want, for example, you could change the colors, the pictures, the text style as well. But I'm going to keep it just as it is right now. And I'll show you later on how you can change also the colors if you're not happy with the colors that you have. So when I click on the template, I can see that another box opens where I could see the option of edit on the upper left side of the screen, right above the quiz, and I select the option of edit and I start to customize the quiz and make the editing changes that match my quiz that I want to share with my students. Then I select the name of my quiz in the settings option and I type the title that I want for my quiz. So since I'm teaching a unit called All About Food, this will also be a possible name for the quiz that I'm going to be using here and generating here. So I'm just going to name it All About Food. So then I select the questions option and I start adding my questions to the quiz. So as you could see here, once I click on it on the quiz, I click on the option of edit. Then I select the option of questions. I type the question I want. So for example, here I'm going to write the question. You can add sugar to, for example, pizza, tea, or potato. The next thing I need to make sure is I need to check that I also ticked the correct answer for each question. So in this case, of course, the correct answer is that I could add sugar to tea. So I make sure that I mark the option of tea as the correct answer, and I could always add additional options as well. If I want to duplicate this page, all I need to do is click on the three dots, then I select duplicate, and then I add another quiz question, and I continue until I finish all the questions that I want to ask in this quiz. As you can see, I have here a set of about 7 or 6 questions, and then I continue this process until I finish all the questions that I want to include in my quiz. So how do I share this quiz? I simply click on the share option. Once I click on share, I scroll down a little bit and select the option of make public view, and then I get a link, and with this link I can share the quiz with my students and they can open the link and work on the quiz by themselves. The thing that is really cool about these quizzes is that I can see how many responses I got and the names of the students who actually completed the task. This gives nice feedback for teachers and helps them track, students' participation and understanding as well. I can check responses by clicking on the quiz itself. Then I see a pop-up with the options edit and responses. I select the responses option, and through it I can see how many responses I got and which students completed the quiz. I can also change the font and the text style. I can change the font color as well and make certain adaptations to the quiz if I'm not happy with the colors or design that are offered in the template. And this is simply done by clicking on the quiz itself. And again, with a pop-up right above it, I can see the colored circles on the top, where when I select on them, I see that I can choose different colors and make adaptations accordingly. And that's it. So I hope you found Canva quizzes quite useful and that you might be willing to use them with your students.